Hello and welcome to a new video introducing you to the BECHEM Form E series. My name is Rüdiger König, Global Technology Manager at BECHEM in Hagen, Germany. And today I would like to give you some insights about what makes BECHEM metalworking lubricants special. The demand on component cleanliness, like for example components for alternative drive concepts, electrical contacts, or even also packaging for the food and the pharmaceutical industry become more and more challenging. At the same time, the pressure to optimize industrial production processes is constantly increasing. Subsequent processes, like for example cleaning steps, should be reduced or eliminated. Furthermore, especially in high-speed processes like for example stamping or bending of technical springs and electrical contacts, excellent cooling properties are required. The specific properties of the BECHEM Form E series makes it easy for you, because these key properties are perfectly adjustable to your process. The BECHEM Form E series is the solution for many applications, because it adapts to the desired objectives with individually adjustable evaporation rates and performance levels. Furthermore, especially in production of components for electrical vehicles, we all know the upcoming alloys, like for example copper and aluminum, alloyed or unalloyed. These requires lubricants with high cooling and lubrication power, but on the other hand with uncompromising compatibility. Today's challenge to combine constantly increasing of our productivity in industrial production processes on one hand, and on the other hand higher standards in health, safety and environment standards requires the most modern lubrication technology to meet economical goals and a high employee health and acceptance. The BECHEM Form E base fluid technology contains highly raffinated synthetic base fluids, almost odorless, with water clear appearance. This, together with our knowledge in blending, leads into a perfect adjustable evaporation behavior. Depending on your individual requirements, the additive level can be adjusted also. As you can see here, we have a comparison of two BECHEM Form E products, and on the right side you can see in an environment of 35 degrees Celsius, the product number 2 has been evaporated more than 90% within 2 hours. On the left hand, you can see the comparison of the lubrication level of these both products, and this could be also perfectly adjusted to your process needs. Within the BECHEM Form E series, many different additive types are available depending on your individual needs. Like for example, sensitive materials requires additives with a high lubrication but with a high compatibility to the surface, and on the other hand in high alloyed or stainless steel we need surfactants with a high affinity to the workpiece surface. High volume production with high stroke rates require lubricants with excellent cooling properties, and these can be adjusted with our additive technology also. And if necessary, the BECHEM system solution offers a high range of servo cleaners, hydrocarbon-based or also water-based, suitable to the BECHEM Form E series to make your process more effective. The BECHEM Form E series in a nutshell: high compatibility to employees and to our workpieces, water clear and almost odorless fluids. Subsequent cleaning processes can be greatly reduced or sometimes completely eliminated. Excellent cooling effect for fast processing with high stroke rates. Polar active ingredients bring high performance if required. The availability of different additive technologies makes this series perfectly adjustable to your process, and if required, food grade approvals are available also. I hope this video was helpful to give you a deeper insight in process improvement potential to your stamping and forming processes. My name is Rüdiger König, Global Technology Manager at BECHEM in Hagen, Germany, and I'm looking forward to get in touch with you.